is what you preach.
Would you turn the other cheek?
Father, 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 help us.
Some guidance from above. Got me questioning. What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mama. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama. Only attracted to the things that don't bring you drama. Overseas, that we're trying to stop. There isn't, but we still got theirs. We're living in the USA, the big CIA.
I can't believe we still hate blacks today. Come on, yo. People killing, people dying, children hurt, hear them crying. If you practice what you preach, would you turn the other cheek? Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning. Where is the love? Love, love, love.
Where is the love, the love, the love?
Whatever happens to the values of humanity? Whatever happens to the fairness and equality? It's not a spreading love, it's spreading animosity. Gotta give my faith, love to love is
Yeah! Let's show them some love! Oh, duo! Wow! Coaches, na-meet ba nila expectations niyo, Coach Billy?
Alam mo, gusto kong umiyak. I really do. I don't know, I'm so touched by this performance just because isa sa dream ko na makasama ang anak ko sa entablado. Alam mo yun? So, I don't know, I feel so light. I feel so happy pag naririnig ko kayo. Tatiana, you have such an angelic voice. Sobrang talented mo. You play the keyboards. And please, wag kang magpatigil kung ano man ang ginagawa. Please continue to do what you do. And ginagabayan ka naman ng tama ni Sir. Maraming salamat. Congratulations to the both. Thank you, guys.
Coach Tel, na-compliment nila yung isa't isa di ba?
Sobra. Ang kinatuwa ko sa performance nila, yung chemistry niyong dalawa, iba kayo nung bigla kayo nag-perform kasi parang biglang may lumabas na ibang character eh. Na-feel ko talaga nag-e-enjoy sila. And to mention yung skills ni Tatiana, grabe, napakabata mo pa lang pero meron ka ng ganyang klaseng talento. Congratulations.
Coach Chito.
Sobrang galing. I enjoyed the performance talaga. From start to finish. Yung simula, ang weird eh. Haunting, but cute. Di,
Yeah.
Parang sakto yung batuan niya ng vocals. Everything about it, I enjoyed. So, congrats. Ang galing.
Thank you, sir.
Nakakataba ng puso kasi bihira yung makakita ng ganito eh. And you should treasure these moments. Para ako nasa langit ngayon, ang saya-saya ko. Good job, guys. I'm so proud.
Congratulations and thank you, O Duo. Coach Julie.